Hi there, I am Lynette Mumandam, the GDG Bamenda lead, and today I'll be walking you through how to redeem your cloud credits. And these are for participants who have registered or committed to the Associate Cloud Engineer Certification Study Group powered by Google and GDG Bamenda. And yeah, let's dive into it. So there are tips for participants, there are tips and there are things you should know before you redeem this cloud credits, right? So the first thing you should have done or should know is that you need to have a Google account. So if you do not yet have a Google account, do create that and a Gmail address. So some forms are going to circulate via our study WhatsApp group and our Discord channel, and then you'll be asked to fill in your Gmail address. And that Gmail address is going to be collected to associate or give you access to the Cloud Skill Boost and the Google Cloud platform. So yeah, if you have not created a Gmail account, that is the first thing you should do. And then the most important step is providing your address via those forms so that we can properly allocate access to the Google Cloud Skill Boost and the Google Cloud Platform. So once we have that out of the way, we're going to go to the first step in redeeming your cloud credits. So the first step is to visit the trygcp.dev link. And so this is going to be provided to you via this guide, and that is what we're going to do now. We're going to copy this and we're going to paste it on our logged in terminal. That is the account you created. You should sign into that account. So I'm going to start from the step where you sign in into your account, and then you paste this try GCP link on your new tab. Let's get into it. So we are here on the new tab, and you are required to sign in. Like I said, the Google profile you created, you sign into it. So let's sign into my Google profile. So here you'll be asked to fill in your password, and hope you can remember your password, the password you used to create your account. So as you can see, I am logged in. They asked me to sync my account. I can just say yes, I am in, and boom. So like I said, in a new tab, paste the trygcp.dev link that's going to be provided to you. So as you can see, this email address has not yet been added to the list of people who have access to this cloud credits, right? That is why the most important step is to provide your email via the forms that is going to circulate in the WhatsApp group and the Discord channel. Because if your email address is not granted access, you will not be able to redeem your cloud credits. So now I'm just going to go back, add this email to the list of email addresses who can benefit from the cloud credit, and we're going to come right back, right? We're going to get back right into it. So yes, I have added the email address. We're just going to refresh, and boom, you can see I have access to the A session one. We have access to the cloud credits here. So now you would click to access your credit. So if you see the first red saying you don't have access, do not panic. Just provide your email in the forms provided by the GDG Bamenda team, and then you get to us, tell us you have this issue, you have filled the form, and we'll just help you have access, right? So yeah, the next step is to go to Google Cloud, is to go to the Google Cloud console to fully redeem your credit. As you can see, once you click here to access your credit, it automatically opens the Google Cloud Console. But if it doesn't open for you, what you can do is just type console cloud.google.com. So this is the address you should just open automatically. And so what you would do, the first thing you would do is to accept and continue. So as you can see here, they're asking you to accept the terms and conditions. You agree and continue. You accept and continue. So yeah. Um Once that is done, you're going to be redirected to the billing menu on GCP. So here your credits are going to be allocated to a particular account. So normally, without having this cloud credit, this free cloud credit, you would have created a billing account with your credit card or a Visa card or a MasterCard. But now this is just a way to redeem free credit. So yeah, we are here, manage billing accounts. Just let that load. And we see our first billing account here. So total spend $0. We can go into the billing account itself to see whether our $5 credit has been assigned to it. So let's just let that load. Amazing. So we go to credit. We go to credit to see how much credit has been issued to our account. So as you can see, frictionless access to Google Cloud, and we have our $5 credit there. So this is where we can find our credits. We have successfully redeemed our credits. So what is another important step I will tell you to do here is to create a project and assign this billing account to it. So let's get into it. We have to create a project and assign this billing account to it. So we first of all go to our home page, select a project. So when you click on select a project, if you have projects to appear here, as you can see, I have no projects. I have an organization, which is no organization, but we want to create a project. So all projects that you create right now are going to fall under the organization, no organization. I'm sure you understand a lot of these basics once you start with your labs and courses. But to create a new project, you select the project, and you click on new project, right? And once you click on new project, you'll be asked to name your project. So let's name this project test is the parent resource is no organization, and you create. So yes, the project has been created. As you can see here, you can select project. So mostly when you have many billing accounts, you would have to assign a billing account to a particular project. But here we have just one billing account. If this is your first time using Google Cloud, you would have just one billing account. And if it's not your first time, obviously you're going to have a lot of billing accounts, and you will have to allocate the billing account we just created to the particular project you're working on, right? So we select a project, and once you select the project, you see here link a billing account, right? That means our new project does not yet have a billing account. And what you will do, you click on link a billing account. And here you will find the billing, the five credits we just redeemed. And this is the billing account. You could have renamed it to something else. So click on what you renamed it to. So this is mine, Google Cloud Platform Trial Billing Account. You select account. And yes, we have been assigned that billing account. Here you can create a budget alert. Let's say once it consumes our five credits, we should be alerted. This is for people who link their Visa cards so that it should not go over budget. We have successfully completed the last step, which was to link our billing accounts. And yeah, now you might encounter some common issues with creating or setting up your GCP project and accessing your billing account or setting it up. The slide guide that's going to be provided to you has some common issues and how to fix them. Make sure you look at that. And yes, stay in touch by emailing the Bamenda GDG email or and yeah, that's it for how to redeem your cloud credit. See you in the next one, which is going to be covering how to access your cloud skill boost account, how to go about the labs, and how to get your study resources. So yeah, see you in the next one.